All right. So in this lecture, we are going to do our next layer of highlights. So we're going to get a little bit brighter. And I'm going to go ahead and take my line art layer. We're not going to turn it off all the way yet, but we are going to lower the opacity so we're not being as dependent on it. Probably right about there is good. And we are going to go ahead and continue painting. So let's go ahead and come up here above darker shadows. We're going to make a new layer. We're going to call this bright lights. And same process as before, but this time, let's set up here, we're going to just be a little bit less with it. We're not going to do it in as many places because these are really just the brightest spots of the whole image. And I'm going to be making sure that I try to break it up a little bit more, break up my lighting, because that's where we're going to really get this sense of texture is in our highlights. So I'm kind of scribbling them in here a little bit, keeping them nice and textured, sort of giving us that sense of skin texture that's not just perfectly smooth. Okay, let's color pick this over here. Same thing. Moving a little bit warmer. Quite a bit brighter on these ones because we're really pushing up to the brightest parts now here, and these are really bright highlights. Okay, breaking up this highlight here as well as we move down across his face. All right, let's work our way up his ear here. All right, let's work our way down. We're just gonna do a lot of this red while we're here with this color out already. All right, excellent. Let's do the ear here. Let's go ahead and come to our rough shadows. I'm actually going to pull back on the shadows here on the ear a little bit so that we don't have as extreme contrast, and then we can come back up here and try and bring some of these highlights in a little more. All right, let's come and do the eyes here. We'll go all the way bright on this here. All right, gotta get the all right, we're gonna get the eyelids here. Same on the other side. All right, excellent. Let's do his stomach here. All right, let's get the moss here. All right, and then let's do these little guys up here. All right, and then lastly, I almost forgot, we need to do his foot here. All right, and there we go. That is it for this lecture. I will see you guys in the next one.